Planning a one-day trip to Funchal, Madeira? Welcome to Funchal, the charming capital of Madeira, a gem nestled in the heart of the Atlantic. Here, vibrant culture and rich history meet breathtaking landscapes, creating a captivating destination like no other. Imagine wandering through the lush greenery of the Madeira Botanical Garden, breathing in the scent of exotic plants and flowers. Picture yourself strolling along Santa Maria Maior Street, where centuries-old buildings exude a timeless allure. Visualize the lively Mercados dos Lavradores, a bustling market brimming with fresh produce, local crafts, and a rainbow of colors. Don't forget the Cristiano Ronaldo Museum, a tribute to Madeira's pride and one of the world's greatest footballers. Each corner of Funchal is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From the cobblestone streets to the azure sea, Funchal is a paradise for travelers. Ready to explore the magic of Funchal? Come, the adventure awaits! Imagine starting your day with a stroll through the Madeira Botanical Garden, a haven of exotic flora. Breathe in the intoxicating aroma of thousands of different plant species, each one a testament to the island's rich biodiversity. From there, let your feet guide you along the cobblestone streets of Santa Maria Maior, where the pulse of local life beats strong. Listen to the melody of the city, a symphony of friendly chatter, the clinking of coffee cups, and the hum of everyday life. Your journey continues to Mercados dos Lavradores, a bustling farmers market brimming with the freshest produce and vibrant flowers. Here, the heart of Funchal beats in every vendor's shout and every haggled bargain. Finally, the day's journey concludes at the Cristiano Ronaldo Museum, a shrine to a local boy who became a global football icon. The museum stands as a testament to the dreams that can take root in this charming city. A day in Funchal is a feast for the senses, isn't it? What's a visit to Funchal without indulging in its culinary delights? Let's dive into the gastronomic paradise that is Madeira. A must-try dish is the unique espada with grilled banana. This unusual pairing of black scabbard fish and sweet banana is a delightful surprise, showcasing the innovative spirit of Madeiran cuisine. Now imagine strolling through the local markets, a riot of color and aroma, where a variety of tropical fruits await. You'll find everything from passion fruits to custard apples, each more tantalizing than the last. It's a fresh fruit lover's dream come true. And who can forget the renowned Madeira wines? These fortified wines, with their distinct flavors, are a testament to the island's rich winemaking tradition. A visit to Avenida Arriaga in Blandy's winery offers a fascinating peek into this world. You can savor these wines, appreciating their subtleties, their depth, their stories. A sip of Madeira wine, a bite of espada, and you'll be yearning for more. Wondering when to visit this paradise? Well, Madeira boasts pleasant weather throughout the year, making it a perfect destination any time. The island's subtropical climate ensures mild temperatures, even in the heart of winter. So whether you're planning a summer escape or a winter getaway, Madeira's doors are always open. Now, let's talk about getting here. For those of you arriving by sea, the convenience of Funchal's cruise port cannot be overstated. Nestled in a natural amphitheater, the port is a gateway to this enchanting island. As you depart, the panoramic view of Funchal from the sea is a sight to behold, a perfect farewell to a memorable trip. Remember, Madeira is not just a destination, it's an experience, a feeling, a memory that stays with you long after you've left its shores. So when are you packing your bags for Funchal? Remember, an unforgettable journey awaits you.